Hello everyone, welcome back to Chinwe's Kitchen. I know it's been a while, it's gonna get better. And today's video is on how to cook authentic Nigerian Ogbono soup. And those are my ingredients and they will be in the description box. I have grounded Ogbono, pumpkin leaf, which is ugu, dried prawns and periwinkle, stockfish, dry fish, Kpomo, beef, crayfish with ogiri, seasoning, dry pepper, and salt to taste, even palm oil. So let's get started. I have cleaned up my pot, so I'm just going to allow it to dry up. Then I added the palm oil, I had to heat it up a little and I turned off the heat. I added the ogbono, so we'll dissolve it now. Okay. So this is me dissolving it with my spoon. I'm going to do this till it melts completely. Yes. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do not forget to hit the notification bell so that when there's a new video from me, you will be the first to get it. My new subscribers, thank you. You're welcome to the family. So it's dissolved now, as you can see, and I turned on the heat again to continue with my cooking. So I'm adding the meat stock now, which is well seasoned. So as I add it, I'm just going to stir very well. To my friends that have always been here, thank you so much for your support. Thank you very much. So I'm going to add water to it and leave it to boil. This would take few minutes. It's boiling now, so I'm going to add my meat, which is the beef and the kpomo. I always like to add kpomo to my ogbono soup, followed by the stockfish and the dry fish. I'm also going to add the periwinkle and the prawns. We'll give this a good stir for everything to mix up properly. It's already looking delicious. Don't you think so? Next, we'll add my blended crayfish, which has ogiri in it. We'll also stir properly as well. It's time to add the dry pepper. We'll also add salt to taste. You have to be careful with salt here. Next, I will be adding my chopped onions for its flavor. Next is my seasoning cubes. And then I'm going to stir everything properly. We'll also add just a little water to it. Now it also depends on the consistency that you want. So if it's too thick, you can add just a little water and stir. So we just allow this to cook and then we'll add my ugu leaves, which is the pumpkin. After adding it, we'll also stir. So we just allow this to cook for a few minutes and it will be ready. So that is it for my authentic Nigerian Ogbono soup. It's ready. So what are the benefits in eating Ogbono soup? Now, it helps for weight loss. It also helps to reduce bad cholesterol, prevents heart diseases, and also regulates blood pressure and blood sugar. Now you need to start eating ogbono soup more. You can see how delicious and rich and yummy, inviting this is looking. Now the ogbono itself is also known as the wild African mango or bush mango. I'm eating my ogbono soup with my plantain flour, so you can eat it with just anything you want. like eba, semovita, pounded yam, and all of that. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. And do not forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to get my videos whenever I upload. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.